Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about printable 3D printable designs, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the store, on the search. Uh, now as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email store, your email address, and start free trial. Now you can just skip all this if you want, and let's continue. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. The first thing you have to do, go to the online store and go to the themes here, where you can change the themes if you want and customize them on your homepage store. So here you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Now wait a few seconds to install in the theme, and once the theme is installed, you can customize it on your homepage. Now click here, publish, and customize. Click on customize, and now it will take you to your store. So here the first thing you have here, you have the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop like this, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just give it like a desktop like this. Now let's move on. Here this is the settings where you can design your homepage store. So the first section here, we have the header, we have the announcements bar. You can change the color scheme if you want. You can show separate line. Here you can show icons on desktop. Also you can turn this on, auto rotate announcements. Here you can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcement. The announcement here, you can change the text. Also you can pass the link or search for collections, or for example I'm gonna select all collections. Now let's get back and let's move on to the header. So this is the header section. You can here change the desktop logo position. Also you can change the main menu or remove it. You can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Here you can turn this on, show separator line. Here you can change the color scheme or the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. You can manage the mobile logo position. Here you can edit the spacing and the section padding. Here you can put your social media links. You can put your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or your Instagram or wherever you want of links. You can add it here. Now let's move on to the logo. So you can select it from your library. You must select it from your library, and just for example, let's search on it on the browser. For example, 3D printable designs, logo idea. So for example this. So this is just for example. You have to upload it from your own library. Now this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time. You can design it or edit it, or remove it if you want. Here you can change the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you can select the image. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. So for example, you can choose whatever you want to design in your homepage store. That's it. Now you can add your second image if you want. this is just for example. Here you can change the banner height. You can also change the desktop logo, this desktop content position. Here you can show container on desktop. You can also here change the desktop content alignment. Here you can manage the animations. Also you can manage the mobile layout. You can turn this on, stock image on mobile or show container on mobile. So let's get back and let's move on to the heading. So here you can generate the text, describe what this text is about, 3D designs like this, and click generate. Here you can design, you can change the heading if you want. So that's it. Now let's get back, let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the buttons, you can change the first button label, you can also change this, the first button link. You can add your first button link. For example, I'm gonna choose this, all collections. You can use outline the button style. Here you can also add your second button label. You can pass the link or search for something, like I'm gonna select all collections. Here you can use outline button style. So let's get back and let's move on to the featured collection. Also here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about, 3D printable designs like this. So for example this, here you can manage the heading size. You can manage the description. Just generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Here you can show collection description from the admin. Also here you can manage the description style. You can change the collection. Here you can make product full width. Also you can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the color scheme. You can manage the product card. You can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show product region, and also you can enable quick add button. You can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, you can save this. After you design your footer section, you can here edit the color scheme. You can here add the heading. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, save this and let's get back to the home page where you can name your store. The next step is naming your store. So let's go to the home, to the dashboard. So after you add your first product, after you add a custom domain, and after you add the sharing details, now the next step is name your store. Here you can name your store, just type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can change the store email or add your store email. So let's save this. The next step is after you customizing your online store. Next step after this, here you can set up payments provider and set your shipping rates. Next, the last step on this is launch your online store. So here pick a plan like this. Now you can remove your store password, and after this you can choose a plane or the active trial. So that's it. Now after this you can launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.